All right, well, welcome back to Black Swan Outdoors. Is a continuation for the kind of walkthrough of the vehicle. I had a couple toolkits that I thought we could kind of go into in separate videos. This is one of those ammo boxes. It's actually quite handy to have for jumper cables and larger tools. Very heavy duty, so I keep some of the heavier, bulkier tools in here. So large hammer, super handy in case you need a drill. Never actually really used it, but one day I think it'll be handy. Larger bolt cutters. Fencing pliers. I live out in the country, have quite a bit of property, so these are handy as backups. Yeah, duct tape, of course. The jumper cables. Super handy to have the best jumper cables you can have possibly. I recommend get rid of those cheap ones. That's just me. Little shaker siphon. And then this is a pretty handy thing to have out in the country testing hot wires, but also doing lots of other things. Just an big old screwdriver. And then I have just some tow lines primarily for the winter to pull people out of the snow with. And then second kit here, this is kind of more of the smaller tools, jam-packed full of stuff. So this is the toolkit that I have, just kind of everything that I have on there. It's a little more extensive than what an average person might have in the back of their car for servicing their vehicle, just because I live on a larger property, and sometimes I work out of my vehicle, and it's nice to have tools and such, just to have handy. So some of this stuff is vehicle specific, some of this stuff is not. So I've got, just the array of wrenches and screwdrivers, tape, demolition bar, a hacksaw, a small hacksaw, safety glasses, earplugs, fuses, multimeter, tape, zip plugs, cheap tire plug kit, the diagnostic tool, a propane torch, an assortment of goop. So I've got this E6000, plastic and vinyl, an adhesive, and then JB Weld, kind of a safety knife, a fuel wrench, marker, pencils, scissors, larger bits for that hand drill that I had on there, flagging tape, and some fishing line, which is always super handy, wire, oil, some brushes to clean the plugs, that kind of thing, or the battery. So yeah, pretty much just some basic stuff on here, a little more comprehensive again than most people would have. Fuses, funnel, this is nails in here, and then smaller screwdrivers, Allen wrench, or Allen key. Yeah, so again, just some basic stuff, basic tools, to kind of supplement the other stuff that I had. In a future video, I'll do kind of my homestead toolkit, I guess. If people are interested, let me know. If you're seeing something that maybe I should have on here that I'm missing, please let me know. I'd be happy to have see that in the comments. So basically the toolkit.